Hey hotties, it's Hot Chick here and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, you guys. Another freaking video, okay? And this video is covering everything I do on my foundation routine. It's very in detail. I'm gonna do a voiceover, so hopefully that might be a little bit better. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm here, okay? I'm trying my best, okay? So definitely give me a just subscribe, you know? Like, it means a lot. We're almost to 5,000 subscribers. Like, y'all. 5,000 subscribers, that shit is crazy. Yeah, definitely, I would want to see you guys join my family. Follow me on Instagram, don't forget, it's ItsHotChiick. ItsHotChiick. Definitely, I want to see you guys on my Instagram. Just show me some love, show your girl some love. All of the products will be listed below. I'm listening to all of you guys' feedback. So I see you guys in my next one. Peace out. Okay, so I am taking the Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder and I am pressing that powder into my skin. Being that I'm pressing this powder into my skin, I have to make sure that it's an even layer. And the purpose of this situation is to mattify your skin underneath your foundation. It makes it last longer, believe it or not. So if you guys try this, I don't recommend trying this when it comes to dry skin, but I am very combination oily skin, so it works well for me, and my makeup lasts all day. And I'm also using my beauty blender to do that. My beauty blender is a little bit damp, so just make sure it doesn't have to be damp. It doesn't really matter, honestly, but right now my beauty blender is damp. Now I am taking my Maybelline Superstay foundation in the color 360 and I am just dotting it on my face before I blend it out. I'm going to use a brush first, which is going to be the Real Techniques face brush, and I'm going to pat it out with my beauty blender. So I know that the foundation looks a bit orange on the skin, but once I blend it out and add all my other elements to it, trust me, you won't notice that it's that, I guess, orange in the beginning, because it does oxidize. So now I am taking my Black Opal Ebony stick foundation, and that's what I use to contour. So I'm just contouring my cheekbones, around my forehead, and a little bit on my nose. Now I'm taking the Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline in the color Caramel, and I'm just applying that to the places that the light hits the most, which is my under eye, my nose, my forehead, and my chin and my upper lip. I'm using this e.l.f. brush just to pat out my contour. So all I'm doing is patting. I'm trying not to swipe too much because I do want that color to stay in place. So yeah, I guess this part you could just watch. So here's a tip when it comes to concealer. I let it sit for like a good 1 minute or like 2, I'll say, and then I blend it out because I do like the full coverage that it gives once it dries down a little bit some. So try that technique and let me know how it works for you. But definitely when you have your concealer sit for a while, it definitely has a full coverage effect. Now I'm taking my foundation brush that I used earlier and I'm just patting out the edges so that it won't be any lines in between my contour and my highlight. I'm taking the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm just, before I set my under eye, I take my sponge just to make sure there's no creases, and then I go in with the powder. And when I do apply the powder, I press it into my skin. So I do that first and then I add more just to like kind of bake-ish. Now I'm taking this Ruby Kisses Ebony powder. It's the darkest powder I ever seen, honestly. It's awesome. So I'm just using that to set my contoured areas. Now I'm taking this BH Cosmetics blush brush and I'm using that to apply this powder. Now I'm taking that same Sacha Buttercup powder and I'm just carving out my cheekbones just so it can stand out a little bit more because I feel like my face is a little bit round. And now I'm using this Milani blush to blush it on up. You gotta add the color back into your skin. Now I'm taking this powder from MAC and it's the color NW50 and I'm just contouring my nose and I'm going to further blend out this powder from under my cheeks and under my eyes.
The truth shall set you free.
As you've seen before, I did take that sponge to press in the powder a little bit more and now I'm swiping away that powder with this e.l.f. kabuki brush. So that wraps up the foundation routine. Thank you for tuning in with me. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe below and see you in my next one.